Welcome to Ancestry in Heritage Isles. Heritage Isles is a 55 and over community, luxury community located in the heart of Viera, Florida. Hi, my name is Karina Danager with eXp Realty, and I am here to talk to you today about my latest listing. And you're going to want to take a look at this because if you're in the market, this one's going to go fast, fast, fast. We've been on a coming soon, and we have already started our countdown with how many showings we're going to have over the next few days. Let me point out something as we're walking in. The sellers put in this gorgeous glass door, so that is an upgrade. We're going to show you a lot of upgrades that they did in this property. The property is 7 years new and very gently lived in. Come with me. As we enter, I'm going to point out the floors. I wanted you to see that they upgraded. The tile floors are absolutely stunning. They're done on a diagonal throughout the entire house, other than the master, which will show you what kind of floors they recently put in there. Now we're going to come, since we're in the foyer, we're going to go ahead and spin to our right, and we're going to go take a look at the 2 bedrooms up at the front of the house. So this is a 3-bedroom, 3-bath, and it has a flex room, which is spectacular. So beautiful bedroom, nice high ceilings, beautiful ceiling fans, and neutrally done so you can make it your own or keep it this way. Great closet space. Over here is the first full bathroom. This bathroom is very pretty, nice shower, tub shower. You have the comfort high toilet, counter high cabinet with the built-in sink. Very, very nice. Upgraded lighting. I love the doors in this property. Now we're going to come around. We're still coming out of the foyer, and we come to the flex room. The flex room has upgraded French doors. The glass is absolutely stunning. It really gives a lot of light coming through. And for this couple, they needed an office, which everybody needs somewhere to put their computer and their printer. So this works out really great for an office. Could also be another spare bedroom. You can make it a formal dining room. There's so many things that you could do with this extra flex room. A lot of good closet space. Over here to the left, we're going to take you past the laundry room. They had actually put in more cabinets over the washer dryer, and in the door to the right is where you would go to the garage, which is absolutely spectacular. Here we are in bedroom number 2. Also has its own ensuite with the bathroom. Again, counter high sinks, comfort high toilet, very nice tub shower, and a very nice sized room. Again, with all the high ceilings. Okay, now we're going to come out here. This is an open floor plan, which is really spectacular. I love the open floor plans, and Lenore did a great job building this home. So to the right, you have your dining, you have your living, and you have your kitchen and your eating kitchen, which, you know, everybody wants to congregate in the kitchen. So this allows everybody to spread out, but yet still be together. You have beautiful stainless steel appliances, gorgeous backsplash, high cabinets, beautiful, very rich cabinets, stunning backsplash that goes so well with the cabinets, the floors, and the granite countertop. I love this extra island in the center too. Great windows, beautiful window treatments. The AC is running great. And we are going to go over here to the left. And this is the master suite. The master suite, they've redone the floors to the wood vinyl. They're absolutely gorgeous. Very beachy tones in here. Very nice to step on. They're not cold like the tile. Beautiful large bedroom, walk-in closet. We're not going to show the walk-in closet because it was picture day today. And I'd like to keep my neck where it's at. And then in here we have the bathroom. And in the bathroom, we have a private water closet for the toilet. Nice big space. The walk-in shower is huge. Yep. And Then we have the double sinks, beautiful cabinetry that matches throughout. And we have a linen closet. So come, oops, as I take out the wall, come with me and we're gonna take a peek out back. This is spectacular. I just want you to know Heritage Isle has the largest community rec center for their homeowners. They have a humongous pool. They have a library in there. They do events. You can eat at the clubhouse. It's a golf cart community and so much more. But if you don't want to go there, come out to your own backyard oasis. This is an oversized screened-in patio with upgraded pavers that the sellers have done, and it is actually spectacular. This thing is so big, you could actually put a hot tub somewhere out here if you really wanted to, and if you wanted to sit out here and have privacy when you don't want to go down to the pool. It is very nice. And the best part is the landscaping is part of the HOA, so you can literally live here like you're on vacation. So listen, this house is on the market. We are ready to bring you in. If you do not have a realtor, contact me directly. If you have a realtor, have them contact me directly so we can get you in, because this one is not gonna last. This is Karina Danager with eXp Realty coming to you live from Viera, Florida. See you on the next video.